Hey there! Let's make a fun and inspiring New Year's goals template. It's perfect for friends and family or even for your students if you're a teacher. First, click on Create New Design. Since we're making a printable planner, let's search for the A4 size. Now let's brighten up our blank canvas with a background. I'll go with a cheerful graphic that has a rainbow and add the title New Year's Goals at the top. Next, let's start adding sections. Place a white box with the text Name and another one for Year to personalize it. Now we'll add 3 big squares on the canvas, each with a section label. New skills to learn, improve at, and make time for. To finish it up, let's sprinkle in a couple of fun graphics to give it that extra charm. Once your design is ready, save it as a PDF and share it. Happy creating!